I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log out of Messenger. For that, first of all, open up your Messenger application on your phone. After you open up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. Scroll down and you'll see the category of account and support. Under it, you'll see the option of account settings. Tap on it. Now, under security, you'll see the option of security and login. Tap on it. Here you'll see the list of devices where you are logged in. And now, tap on three-dot menu icon and click on Logout. Now, go back to your Messenger and you'll see that you are logged out of your account. This way you can easily log out of your Messenger. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Social Nerd.